American authorities are investigating whether Chinese AI startup DeepSeek found a backdoor to bypass U.S. export restrictions and acquire high-end Nvidia semiconductors through third parties in Singapore, according to sources cited by Bloomberg on Thursday. Despite strict U.S. controls on advanced chip sales to China, DeepSeek has managed to thrive, sparking concerns over how the company assessed cutting-edge hardware. DeepSeek sent shockwaves through the AI industry earlier this week with the launch of its ultra-efficient R1 model, offering performance at a fraction of the cost of leading U.S. rivals like OpenAI's ChatGPT. The disruption has raised further questions, with OpenAI announcing Wednesday that it is investigating whether DeepSeek misused its data to develop R1. Nvidia maintains that it enforces strict adherence to regulations. Quote, "Many of our customers have business entities in Singapore that serve markets in the U.S. and the West," an Nvidia spokesman told Investopedia. "We require all partners to comply with applicable laws, and if we receive evidence to the contrary, we take appropriate action." The company also dismissed speculation that its Singapore-linked revenue suggests unauthorized chip sales to China. "Our public filings reflect build-to locations, not ship-to locations," the spokesman clarified. Let me know what you think about all this mess with DeepSeek. Are they going to take over the world? Are there going to be other great models out there? Please leave a comment. I appreciate you coming by. Subscribe, hit that bell if you want to be informed about my next video on AI. Thank you for dropping by, and see you next time.